YouTube? It's your girl Lashay Vibes coming in to you with the July 20 curl box. Thumbs up the video if you're excited to get a natural hair product review from me. I know it's been quite some time, but I have been posting weekly, regularly. I've had a lot of sponsor videos, wig videos, bridesmaids videos, vacation videos. So be sure to check out my playlist linked in the cards if you need some style inspo, style inspiration, or just, need something to look at going on vacation and not sure how to wear your hair. Please sure to check out my playlist. But let's get into the July curl box. I actually looked back at my videos and realized that I hadn't did a natural hair product review on the channel since like the end of June. So I'm really playing catch up. If this is the first time that you've come across my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all of your support and welcome back. If you're not familiar with Curl Box is a monthly subscription where you pay $25 a month. You usually get in between 5 to 7 hair care products that usually will give you a great wash day. Curl Box also have what they call a non-subscription box. If you do not want to be charged on a reoccurring basis, I will leave the Curl Box link below. If you want to check them out, they do have the subscriber list. They have different times of the month will actually open and you're charged on a recurring basis and you receive your curl box. But this July curl box, each curl box, it comes in your standard subscription box, comes in a baby pink and black curl box. You also get a cue card and it always has a theme, and July 2020 curl box theme was Hello Summer, and we are actually moving into the fall. In the next couple of days we'll be into the beautiful month of September. But in this month's curl box we received a total of 5 products from the Bodyworks product line, and this is part of their peppermint and tea tree oil line. So we received all of those. You also receive a Hey Curl Friend card in your curl box. Before I move into the product reviews, this is the final result of using the products. Out of the 5, I've only used 4 of the products. I will be posting one to the Poshmark closet. I'll leave that link if you're interested in checking out that. But with the Body Works, it says, why peppermint and tea tree oil? Peppermint oil is a powerful essential oil that has natural and accepted properties that provide healing to stressed or inflamed skin. Peppermint oil also contains menthol, which provides a stimulating and therapeutic cooling sensation meant to soothe dry, itchy skin. Tea tree oil, which I absolutely love, is an antioxidant that's both antifungal and antibacterial, so it effectively fights off bacteria and fungus. It acts as a solvent with the ability to break down layers of dead skin and products. So that's just a little bit about the tea tree and the peppermint. And let's get into the products. The first product that I did not use, so it's still brand new, is the Peppermint Tea Tree Moisturizing Hair Milk. Looks like this. It comes in an 8 fluid ounce. I will be posting this to Poshmark, and it says it's a lightweight moisturizing lotion to soften dry hair and add shine. Some other attributes on the cleansing milk: this is a light leave-in lotion for daily hydration to ensure hair doesn't dry out through the duration of a style between washes. So if you're interested in this, use this, wanted to give this a try, be sure to check the below Poshmark link. It will be listed on Poshmark for the low. Now, the products that I did use, I started off with the clarifying. I did hear Body Works years ago and I was really interested. I did see some really good reviews on this particular hair care line and I wanted to try it. So I was glad when I saw the curl box offered it. But I used the clarifying shampoo. Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've done a natural hair video. My hair is filthy. I went back and looked through my videos and realized that I haven't really done a natural hair product review since June. So, I've been wearing the hair up. Please feel free to check out my playlist. I'll leave it linked. I've been having some amazing sponsorship wig videos, ponytail videos, crochet hair, and all that good stuff. But it's time to treat my natural hair. So we have this curl box, the July curl box, which features the Body Works. I'll be using the products. We're going to start off with, and I've always wanted to try Body Works. I don't believe I have any reviews on this channel, but we're going to start off first with the Peppermint Tea Tree Clarifying Shampoo. When I saw the word clarifying, it kind of made me a little Scare Clarifying Cleanser to refresh scalp and stimulate hair follicles. It removes dirt, product, and oil buildup. Alleviates dry, itchy scalp. I hope not recommended for color treated. May strict color. I really hope that this doesn't dry out my hair. Has that peppermint smell. Clear in color. I know some people like a tingle on their scalp. I like the lather. It seems like a little goes a long way. I like my scalp tingling. I don't like my lips tingling, so I don't even wear lip plumpers and stuff. I don't like anything tingling. It's very peppermint smell. I love the lather of it. A little goes a long way. My hair was extremely filthy. Feels good so far. Rinse it out and see how the hair feels. I'll come back and we'll move into the Bodyworks Peppermint Tea Tree Conditioner. Clarifying shampoos to refresh and scalp and stimulate hair follicles. Now, when I seen the word clarifying, I immediately thought of like drying my hair out, but actually I was a little bit surprised. It did kind of dry the hair out a little. As you can see, it's clear and very, very pepperminty. It smells like a true peppermint. And you'll see in the review that a little bit of that does go a long way. I rinsed it out. My hair did feel a little drying, so I mean, it was okay. I'm going to read some additional information from the card that was provided regarding the shampoo. This is a therapeutic clarifying cleansing that tingles and washes away all traces of buildup and dandruff. I did see a lot of dirt in the water by washing the hair out. It wasn't, I was just thinking when I seen peppermint that my scalp was going to be just tingling on fire. It actually didn't tingle as bad as I thought, so it wasn't that bad, but it was okay. It was okay. Would I repurchase it? Probably not. Not one of my favorites out of this particular box. The next item I used was the Peppermint Tea Tree Detangling Conditioner. Now this is a protein conditioner, softens hair to ease detangling and decrease split ends. It also is a high slip rinse out conditioner meant to add moisture back into clean hair. Now it does say that you can leave this on for about 3 to 5 minutes. I did leave it on for about 3 minutes and then I washed it out, and it has the peppermint smell, but I absolutely love this conditioner. Check out how thick that is. Just the thickness of it. It felt so good in my hair. Immediately, I felt hydration. Look at that. The hair feels a little stripped, but not as much as I thought. Now, this really smells like a candy cane. My scalp isn't tingling, so I'm glad about that, but it does have a strong peppermint smell. Smells like a true candy cane. Puts me in the mind of Christmas. Next, we're going to move into the detangling conditioner. It's the Peppermint Tea Tree. This is said to protein conditioner, softens hair to ease detangling and decrease split ends, reduces frizz, smooths, strengthens strands as all textures, curly or straight. How to use: gently apply after shampooing and massage down to the ends, leaving for 3 to 5 minutes. And it's white in color. Look how thick that is. I love. Yes, it smells very pepperminty as well. Oh, extremely thick. Yes, I like it. I tend to like creams and things like that better. It says 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to leave it for a few minutes and I'll rinse it out. Yeah, that feels good. Feels really good on the hair. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Make sure I get them ends real good. I love the way that feels. I'm gonna leave this on for like another 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it off and I'll come back and let you know how it feels. But right now my hair feels amazing with it, and it really does. I like this. We'll see how, after I rinse it out, how it does. It's so thick. Very nice. Very creamy. Thick. Now, I love this conditioner. This is something that I would probably use on a regular basis or even purchase the detangling conditioner. Love that. And then what I did was I followed up. It came with an oil. I love oils. Oils are great to use. A lot of the oils that I would use in my skin, use in my hair, I would also use on my skin as well. But this is the peppermint tea tree oil. It penetrates and stimulates the hair root without oily buildup. I did use a generous amount of this. Okay, fresh out of the conditioner, I did detangle the hair. Some of the hair is so soft. Check that out. So soft. It feels so good. I love that conditioner. I like how it felt going on, and I like how it feels now. My hair feels so hydrated and bouncy. I can feel a slight tingle, but it's not overwhelming. I like my scalp to feel like it's just on fire. Next up, we have the hair oil. The tea tree, the Eden Bodyworks hair oil in this bag. So I'm going to use this kind of like a leave-in, and then we'll do the moisturizer. One of the moisturizers, because it came with two. This is to penetrate and stimulate the hair root without oil buildup. It strengthens hair, reduces breakage, leave hair silky and shiny. Perfect choice for hot oil treatments. That's what I was thinking about, because there's a tea tree. Spray lightly, holding 6 to 12 inches away from your scalp. Massage into scalp. Okay, let me see. Glass of the spray bottle. Ooh. Yeah, I gotta hold that back, because look at that. Hold it back. See, that's nice. Put some in my scalp. Yeah, that feels, yeah, it has a strong, if you love peppermint, I guess with the tea tree it kind of balances it out, but it does have a strong candy cane smell to it. Yeah, I like that. So I'm going to use a generous amount of this, putting it all through the hair and making sure to go in on the scalp as well. Massage it into the scalp. As mentioned. Gotta hold this baby because it shoots straight. It's a straight shooter. Yeah, it just smells like a straight peppermint. I'm going to make sure I clear the ends really good. Ooh. My life be like, ooh, wow, ooh, wow. Just kind of base the hair. And it says this penetrates scalp oil that treats and prevents itch and alleviates tension at the root. Did use a generous amount, taking it from root to tip. Next, to use as my moisturizer, I use the Eden Bodyworks Curl Defining Cream. Now, I love this cream. I love the texture of it. You'll see it's extremely thick in texture, and it smells so good. It really smells nice. It kind of put me in the mind of the Miss Jessie's. If you've ever tried the Miss Jessie's, either their baby buttercream or the buttercream by Miss Jessie. So it kind of based, because as I was using all the peppermint and tea tree items, my hair, I smelled like a candy cane. Seriously. So that kind of helped to base out and kind of even out that strong peppermint smell. Now I have the oil all through the hair. Now we're going to follow up with one. It came with two. I'm going to post the milk hair conditioner to Poshmark, so be sure to check that out. But I'm going to use the Curl Defining Cream. It's a 2 fluid ounce, and it's a the first ingredient is water, and then coconut nubile. Used to define and separate curls, moisturizes and strengthens hair, provides frizz control, optimized style for curly and wavy hair types. Okay, we're going to give this baby a try. I guess a little. Ooh, that smells nice. Look how thick that is. I'm not going to be able to be heavy-handed with this 2 fluid ounce. I got to make it stretch through my whole head. So what we're going to do is my ever faithful, if you follow the channel, short and sweet, we're going to do my ever faithful rod set. This smells real nice. Now this really smells like a cream. It doesn't have that peppermint smell to it. So you know we based it with the oil. Then we're going to follow up with the moisturizer. Rods on. This smells really nice. It kind of reminds me of Miss Jessie's buttercream a little bit. That's what it really reminds me of. So, I'll be back in a day and a half with the final results. I'm going to remove a few of the rods just to kind of see how it's coming out of the rods. Just remove a few of them just to kind of see is there residue and how hydrated the hair is. See, If you're not a person that's into peppermint, let me read you some of the additional information shared about the defining cream. I love the texture of that. So I use a generous amount of that, and it's only 2 ounces, like a sample size. So I'm not sure. I was wondering, I am going to check to see if they offer this. I'm sure they do in a larger size. But this is a control frizz with humidity resistant formula while containing a boost of protection via vitamin. So this is really nice. I really like this. It says medium hold on there. So I guess there's different formulas of this. But overall, really nice. But I gotta say my 2 favorites that I did use would be this conditioner. This is definitely one that I would probably repurchase. And I like this cream. I love the texture of it. I like the feel of it. And I also like the smell of it. The oil was, you know, kind of basic to me. Nothing really stood out. And the shampoo, you know, really didn't do anything that stood out for me. But overall, like the products. So if you get Curl Box or use the Eat Body products or any of the products that I reviewed in this video, leave your comments below and let me know how they worked out for you. What was your favorite? As always, please be sure to check out my TikTok. Direct link will be below, and also my Poshmark closet. And I'll see you in my next video.